Climate change. Is it real or myth? Are you seeing it in your community or only on the news? The fact is that climate change is caused by changing weather patterns. Sea level rise because of melting glaciers is also a major contributor to climate change. Glaciers are melting in the Arctic regions at alarming rates for one major reason. That is black carbon. When people see this in places like Iceland, they don't realize that this is not normal. This is black carbon. And so is this. Black carbon is the enemy of the planet, and it is 1,500 times worse than carbon dioxide. What is black carbon? It is unburned fossil fuels, made by everything that burns fossil fuels, including clean natural gas, coal, and diesel. Unlike what you would think, it's not only from cars and trucks and the smokestacks from coal energy producers. It is produced from every aspect of human existence. Producers of black carbon are things you would not normally think of. It is the direct cause of melting glaciers. Transportation activities, including providing mobility to passengers and freight, accounts for about 25% of world energy use, which means a whopping 75% of energy use is for non-transportation purposes, things that make the world go around, like agriculture, construction, mining, buildings, hospitals, universities, fashion, manufacturing, space exploration, infrastructure. The demand for energy is growing fast. The world's annual energy consumption nearly tripled from 1969 to 2019, and it is not going to decrease. As of 2020, nearly 80% of the world's energy was made by burning fossil fuels, oil, coal, and gas. Renewable energy, including hydropower, solar, wind, and biofuels, accounted for just over 10%, with nuclear and traditional biomass making up the remainder. Energy is needed for transport, heating, generating electricity, and infrastructure. At current growth rates, 75 to 80% of the world energy for the foreseeable future will be utilizing fossil fuels, which produces black carbon, which causes melting glaciers and changing weather patterns. Since we will have to burn fossil fuels for the foreseeable future, we must figure out a way to minimize its effects. That's why we have created the Black Carbon Coalition, to raise awareness and bring forth technologies to eliminate black carbon. It's bigger than me. It's bigger than you, but it's not bigger than us. Join us.